Okay, so this is the first one for today. Draw your square like you did yesterday. Yep, go ahead. So this is the end game on this one. It's actually way easier than yesterday's, I think.
Yeah, sure.
It's less confusing. So this one, you're going to draw a kind of curved yet straight line down the center vertically. And then you're just going to make kind of two curves that make an X. And if you have that little spot in the center, just color it in black.
I messed up.
How? We just started.
More on the eggs.
Oh, like where? That's okay. Just draw a good time.
Should I just do it the same way again?
Yeah.
First, it's supposed to be abstract. Alright, that's okay.
Now, on the right-hand side of each of these little legs, you're going to draw a very close line that goes from the center to the edge, touching. I didn't tell you guys this yesterday, but if rotating your paper helps, rotate your paper all you want. That might help some of you to do some of the patterns easier. So you should have it looking like that, like the spokes kind of a bike. Yeah.
Probably not right.
Do you know how to do this?
Yeah.
Do you
Good, just make sure you guys are stopping at that line. They're not crossing over. Your new lines you added don't cross yet. You're good. Nope, just leave them for right now.
What math? What math though?
Not that it's like wrong.
I mean, that's
For a review? This is easy.
I know, but I just don't know. Yeah, we're doing the
You
review.
got a lot of week to do it.
Okay, the next step. On the top, you put a little crescent moon here, a little half circle. Color it in. And then there's one that hangs below as well. Same thing over here. Each spoke is going to get one above and below. The above one is out at the edge, the below one is right at the center. Does that make sense to everyone? So you're going to do one of those on each of the spokes you've made. And they don't have to be exactly the same size. If they're all a little different, it's okay. You just want them to be that half circle shape. How did you mess up? Then that just, did you do it on all of them, or? That's okay, just fix it on the next one. So on that one you have two on the same side, not the end of the world. These are just practice ones.
You said this would take the rest of the quarter?
For the most part it should, yeah. For every step we're gonna do. It is broke down into chunks though. The thing is, you kind of have to have one step done before we can go to the next step. So, not that football misses a ton by any means, but like maybe the golfers, it might be, I don't have very many golfers in Art 1. Most of my golfers are in crafts, so.
There's crafty people or what?
Crafty or crappy?
No, crafty.
I don't think, I firmly believe most kids take my classes having no idea what they're taking.
That's what I was.
It's not necessarily easy though. See, like I always try to tell kids, art 1 is for if you like to draw and paint. Crafts is if you like to make stuff. And people always take art 1 and then are big sad when we spend the whole time drawing and painting, and then they get to see the things that crafts are doing, and they're upset that they don't get to do that.
Can we switch our class?
Not now.
Like we could just like switch the whole thing because that's what really We just
Not
do what-
anymore.
just do what we
The cutoff
miss.
was a week ago.
No, he's talking about.
No, like we just all vote on doing
No,
crafts in this
because
class.
I only order enough supplies for the amount of kids I'm going to have. And I already had to order more supplies because I have way more students than I was supposed to have.
You could just go much more.
Yeah, the school loves that.
So how's that one?
You good?
Oh,
Okay.
I kind of got like a little bit.
Yeah. The next step is around each one of these. You're just going to do these rings. So I go through and I do every one. Then I go back and do them again. So then you're going to go and you're just going to do them until they fill up. And if you want to, you can do each little piece of the pie here. Instead of going around and around every piece, you can do the one at a time. Fill these. You want to do both of the ones inside the little wedge at the same time though, because you kind of want to keep them even. So then, look up here. When you get to this stage where they're touching, then instead of trying to force something, you're just going to make these connect out. Yep. So now remember, when you do your big one, if you choose to use this pattern, we're going to end up painting inside of these. So you want these big enough that you're comfortable painting within those lines. You don't want to make them so close that you're going to make a huge mess trying to achieve the look, right? So I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes, let you do this one, and then we'll do the next one.
Just in one box, we do that one.
Yep.
Sponsor.
Okay, this is Betwix. In your square, you need to make triangles. Triangles have 3 sides. So create, I would make decent sized triangles. You don't want to make a ton of teeny tiny ones. Oh, it's Wednesday.
Is it really?
Well, yeah.
It is.
Okay, just so I don't lose track of time. It's 20, but yeah, we do have plenty of time. I just forgot it was Wednesday. Okay, on this one, as many as you want, Colton, you're going to start at the end of one of the lines. And as you go up, you're going to go wider. And then from the other side, you're going to do the same. You only do this to 2 sides of the triangle. You're then going to fill the triangle in with this. Going back and forth, angling those until you fill that space in. And you're going to get to where you can't go anymore, and then you can just leave that. You're going to do that to every triangle you've made. It doesn't matter which side you start with. You're only doing 2 sides, though. So when you get it all the way filled in, every triangle, you'll have it look like this crazy woven intermingling. It'll look like that with darker spots and lighter spots. I'm going to walk around and help you guys in case you're not catching it, but I think this one's pretty straightforward as well. So get it filled in, and at about 10